Okay, so just gotten done with the eclipse, and what a wonderful sight that was. It's really gotten me hungry, so I want to make sure to personally invite everybody, all our patients, their family, their friends, any co-workers that they want to invite to our Crack BBQ. It's our 9th annual year of doing it. We're going to be giving away a grill. There's going to be a kids bouncy house, and we have grill master Dane Q, who's going to be here grilling out here in the front of the office. So feel free to stop by this Saturday, the 26th, anytime between 10 and 1 o'clock. 10 and 11 is when we'll do most of our adjustments, and then we'll hang out from 11 to 1 o'clock and have some nice food. Hope to see you there.